in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Divatress.com. Today's unit comes from the brand Sensationnel, and if I'm thinking correctly, I haven't reviewed one of their units since either October or November of last year. Sensational's units can be really hit or miss when it comes to the cap sizing for me personally, so I kind of try to avoid them at times, but the last unit I reviewed from them, I really liked it, so I wonder why I haven't picked up any units since then, but I don't know, we're here now. Today's unit comes from their What Lace collection, and I got her in the style Aziza 26 inches and in the color Milk Chocolate. This unit does come in multiple different colors, and of course I'll pop it up here on the screen for you all. I went with the color Milk Chocolate because if I'm thinking correctly, the last unit I got from them was also in a chocolate blend. I don't know, I really like that unit. The cap construction for this unit is your standard cap construction with 3 combs in total, one in the back, the other 2 are in the front on each side. It also has adjustable straps and a pre-attached security band. The lace on this unit is said to be a 13 by 6, meaning you get 13 inches going across in the front and then 6 inches going straight back for the parting space. In my opinion, I think it should be labeled as a 13 by 6 by 0.5, meaning you get 13 inches going straight across in the front and then 6 inches right here in the middle portion for parting space, and then a ½ inch on the sides for your lace space, I guess. By now we know what we're getting when we see 13 by 6, but we're really hoping for an actual 13 by 6, meaning the 6 inches is going straight across the entire front portion of the unit. That way if we want to do a deep side part or some cute little designs on the side or something like that, we have that option to do it, but no. This unit also comes with baby hairs and a pre-plucked hairline. Now, could the hairline be plucked a little bit more? Yes, but for a synthetic unit, this is the best I've kind of seen in a while. But I think those are all of the specs that I want to go over right now. I'm going to go ahead and install this unit and then I'll come back with my final thoughts.
Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down. I told the world cause you can see it in my eyes. The other shotters in the town are praying for the lion's demise. To the roof of the coupe, let's see the sky. They thought I'm sweet and I'm a rapper.
Vibe, but I really wanted something for just like chill.
Sky. I told my nigga no ticks, the cuts have gotta pay the price. They stab my nigga, are we taking lives? I'm trying to buy you some Chanel, special size, yeah. Told my plug I'll buy the bricks, what's the price, yeah? We took the wave to the masses, we felt the wave of pride. I eat that push through your zip, I swear the rhyme is tight. Yeah, I done some wrongs, I ain't make it right. If we say we killed a nigga, then he took a flight. Arguing with bro, he said why you eat a dyke, yeah? 100k off my Nikes, all off for the white, yeah. She stay around the woody like she need a light, yeah. Looking for me in my town, bro, I'm right here. Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown.
So let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Sensational. I'm going to start off with my cons first, and my first con is going to be she is not big head friendly. When I was first putting the unit on, I got really excited and hopeful because I felt a lot of stretch in the cap, but then once I pulled the cap forward, yeah, it was a no-go. Currently, the unit is tacked down in the front of my head, but on the sides, she is very much so lifting. The only way I'm keeping the ear tabs down just a teeny tiny bit is by using some bobby pins. My next con on this unit is that she both tangles and sheds. Anytime I run my fingers through the hair, I'm getting some type of snag or tangle, and also I'm getting at least 3 to 5 strands. Now, seeing as I didn't pluck this unit, nor did I cut into the hairline, I'm really not understanding where all the shedding is coming from. I could understand if most of the shedding was coming from the left side, seeing as how I did rip the lace, but no, it's coming from both sides. Now let's go ahead and move into my pros regarding this unit, and my first one would be I love how flat this unit lays. When I first put this unit on, it was like boom, flat, no humpage whatsoever, and I can really appreciate that, especially when it comes to a synthetic unit. My next pro would have to be how nicely the lace melted. Now at first I was a little bit nervous because to me the lace looked a little bit white but then once I put some even adhesive spray down, it melted really nicely, and then on top of that I added the excess from my foundation brush on top, and she's blending nicely. Another pro for this unit is the density. Now, nobody likes a thin unit, but I cannot stand an overly thick unit either. I feel like this one gives very natural. Now, I don't necessarily know how long that's gonna last because of all of the shedding, but I mean, maybe I just got a defective unit. Another thing I really like about this unit is the curl pattern on her. To me, it gives that very effortless, beachy wave type of look, and let's be real, those are my favorite type of curls. But again, be mindful, keep a brush on you at all times because she is going to tangle. My last pro with this unit would have to be the color melt of her. I feel like Sensationnel did a really good job, like going from the dark roots to the darker brown to the lighter brown. It's just, they killed it with the color. Lastly, let's talk about the price of this unit. On Divatress.com, this unit does retail for $59.99, but if you plan on picking up one of the specialty colors, expect to pay about a $4 upcharge. Now, in my opinion, I do think that that's a little bit steep for this unit, seeing as how I am getting so much tangling and shedding. I mean, especially seeing as how, which I don't think I mentioned this earlier, this is supposed to be a human hair blended unit, so you know, human hair mixed with synthetic fibers, but of course it's primarily synthetic fibers because it's a synthetic unit. But I just wouldn't expect as much tangling and shedding, seeing as how it's supposed to be a blended unit. But those are my thoughts and opinions on the unit. Let me know you guys down in the comment section below. How do you guys feel about it? Do you have the unit? If so, are you getting this much tangling and shedding? Again, let me know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.